So a really simple way to get some fresh fruits and vegetables is to grow your own. Growing your own would be the most economical in the terms of cost because you're really only paying for the cost of seeds. And for a packet of seeds, it can be anywhere from a few cents to maybe up to $1 or $2. And you will get way more fruits and vegetables than you could ever eat on your own out of just one packet of seeds. So to get your fruits and vegetables started, you can use a plastic cup or you can use a styrofoam cup like I did. If you feel like you want to grow a lot of fruits and vegetables, you can use those big, like 5-gallon paint buckets. You want to make sure you have holes in the bottom to let that water out. You'll want to fill it most of the way up with dirt, and then you'll want to water the dirt just a little bit, not too much, but just enough to get it wet. And then you'll just poke your seeds down right inside. You'll then want to make sure you stick this into a sunny window so that it can get all of that sunshine throughout the day. So if you have a window on the east side of your home or maybe on the south side of your home where you can put this, that'll be good. And then you'll want to make sure you check it every day that it's not getting too dried out. Especially right now when it's really hot, the dirt will dry up quicker because all that liquid will be absorbed. You just want to make sure that your dirt is moist. Not necessarily soaked, but you want to make sure it's wet. And then over time, you'll start to grow some fruits and vegetables. Spinach is actually one of the easiest ones to grow. I've grown it myself using just a really small pot in my window. You can also grow peppers. So here's a nice little red pepper. You can grow tomatoes. Tomatoes do better outside after they get started, only because of how tall they get. But most fruits and vegetables you can start inside. Strawberries as well. Strawberries are another easy one to grow.